Well, it is no secret car break-ins are on the rise here in central Ohio. At the end of October, we've reported on a string of break-ins in North Columbus.
Now, before that, several vehicles were hit at the apartments by the Quarry Trails Metro Park and more than a dozen in the Harrison West neighborhood. NBC4's Samantha Bender is looking into what to do if you fall victim. Sam, what can you tell us about it?
We hear about it all the time. An entire block or neighborhood wakes up to their car windows smashed in, and it can be confusing knowing whether you're responsible for covering the damage. Local insurance agencies say recently they've been dealing with lots of calls relating to this. John Cates with W.E. Davis Insurance Agency says the first step is to call your agent or carrier. Ask for advice in terms of whether you should turn a claim in. Cates says in some situations it's not worth it and you're better off paying for the repairs yourself so your premiums don't go up down the line. He says some policies do include first dollar coverage, meaning if that side glass on your window is broken, you can get total coverage and don't have to pay a thing. Kate says this type of thing is tricky insurance wise and there's really no right answer, only advice he can offer car owners, but he says thinking long term is necessary.
If they have a bad at-fault accident that they absolutely can't afford to pay themselves, they have to turn that in. And so our problem is we want to tell them, yes, you have this coverage and we can pay that $350, but is it better to pay for that side glass yourself and keep that claims free on your policy?
Kate says many times your insurance provider will have glass claims numbers that go directly to a glass company that will replace the glass for you. But again, he says before going down that route, he says to check on costs because it might be worth it paying out of pocket for it just to protect your premium later down the line. Local for you in Grandview, I'm Samantha Bender, NBC4.